let's run again. Let's write a new country name, for example, China. Yep, no problem. Let's name with upper cases India. Yes, it detects. Let's write here Canada. Let's write Bhutan, for example. Yep. Let's write Nigeria. Let's write a country we don't know. A country in order to test our game. There will be no country because it is not the country in our country list in the world. Therefore, we cannot see it. Let's write another one. For example, let's say that Brazil. Let's say Argentina, the country where the goat of the football lives. Argentina. Let's write here France. Yes, and USA, and for example, what can we do? Alaska. For example, Russia. Yes, it works. Let's exit from our game. Yes, we exit from the game. It tells us you knew to the user, you knew 11 state correctly. Let's call it 1. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's our game functions corrected. There is no problem at all. I will tell you one by one what I did for this project. First of all, I have created my country names and their coordinates. Um, how can we do that? Um, I I just write it one by one. Um, After clicking my mouse click, this turtle module also a function that gives the on-screen click function that gives us the x and y location or coordinates where the turtle object stands. Okay, let's go through. This is the way how I created this CSV file. This is CSV file comma separated values means, which means that every column is being different from each other by using commas. For example, United States, name of state, its x coordinates minus 205, and y coordinates is 80, and Russia is x coordinate and y coordinate and so on, all the countries here. And after that, we have created a scoreboard class in order to keep the score of the user. As you can see, when I click my game, here there pops up a screen here which tells us that we have now 0 score out of 144 country names. Okay, whenever we know one of them, let's like Sweden, as you can see it increased by 1. And let's Finland, for example, and the other one. So it pops up and shows us the score of the user. Okay, let's say that exit menu, 2 states, and then whenever the user knows a state inside my country's CSV, this scoreboard will begin with the score attribute by 0, and it will. We have also created an increase score function inside this class, which will just simply increase the score by 1 whenever it's called upon. When we call this function, we call this function whenever this answer, the title, we use that title method because all the values inside my country CSV begins with uppercases, right? And this is a string. and that title will make an uppercase country name. I mean, if it is inside the df states values, inside this values, and it will go and increase the user score, that increase score. We will call this function, and whenever it's called upon, and it will increase the score of the user by 1 every time. And I am adding this one inside guest countries name.append, which means that all the countries that the user has now. And for example, we have also created another one. Whenever the user wants to exit from the game, we want to show the user that how many states he or she should know, should learn from this good game experience. That's it. Thanks for listening to this tutorial. Please, if you like this tutorial, click the like button, and I will be happy if you follow my tutorials. Um, I will continue to write Python projects and also data science project and also machine learning and deep learning projects in this channel. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.